Hello everyone. For this week's choice board, we're going to be learning how to draw a lizard and also how to draw a sunset. Remember when you do one of these that we are working on choice board materials for 30 minutes once a week. So if it takes you 30 minutes to just do the lizard or 30 minutes to just do the sunset, you can stop there. And again, feel free to rewind this video or go back or pause so that way I am going at a speed that's good for you. So to start, we're going to do the lizard. The lizard, we are going to make two lines. It's going to be a curved line that goes this way, almost kind of like a thin letter C, and then a curved line that goes this way, so the opposite direction. This is going to start to make our head for our lizard. The next step is we're going to start to make our eyes. So we're just going to make one circle on this side of the head and one circle on this side of the head. And then after that, we're going to add these little black circles inside. And I'm going to leave a little bit of the black circle white to kind of look like the eye has a little bit of reflection of like the light shining on its eyeball. After that, we're going to start to work on its arms. So the arms are going to bend out like this, another curved line going this way. And I'm going to make a curved line going this way. And now it almost kind of looks like a bird, like it's flying in the air. And then next to those curved lines that we just drew, I'm going to draw another line right next to it. This is going to make the bottom part of the arm, so like the top part and the bottom part. And then another one on the other arm. And now we're going to start to make its belly and like its body. So I'm going to make another curved line, lots of curved line with this drawing. Curved line going this way, and a curved line going that way. Also going to make a line that comes up going here to make the back legs. And then one going this way as well. And again, just like we did with the top arms, we're going to make a line underneath this one and a line underneath this one. So right now you might notice that we're missing like the hands, like the toes of our lizard. So I'm going to draw, I believe there's 5. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bumps, or like 5 U's to make my lizard's hands. And I'm going to do that for all 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we're going to start to make our tail. So we're going to start on the end where the leg ends right here and make this a curly line that comes around like this. So a nice curl. And then we're going to make a line that's pretty much the same, but it connects to the end of that line. So I'm going to make a line that comes from this leg, draw pretty much the same curl, and then boop, have it end right there. And then when you're done, you can start to decorate. So if you want to add things like polka dots, maybe it has some sort of zigzag pattern or stripes, you can decorate it however you'd like. And you could also color this. And again, if you want this to be your half an hour for choice board where you decorate your lizard, maybe you could add some extra things around it. Maybe it's eating a fly, some sort of bug, or maybe it's in grass on the ground somewhere. You can do that too. It's up to you. So that is one option. The other option, again, like I said, is the sunset. So the sunset, some of you maybe that had me for art club last year might remember doing the sunset. But if you did, you could always do it again, try it a different way. But to start off, you're just going to draw a line that goes all the way from one side of your paper to the other. This is called a horizon line. This is where the sky meets the ground. Next, we're going to draw some hills for our sunset. So kind of like a bumpy hill that comes off of this side. And then another kind of bumpy hill that comes off over here. Some people said these also look like clouds. So it's up to you if they're clouds or if they're like mountains or hills. And then after that, we're going to draw a nice round curve for our sun. If you use your imagination, you could already kind of see how this is a sunset. The next, we're going to draw some lines because this is supposed to be water. So this is going to be sunset like over an ocean. So I'm going to draw some of these lines that are just straight lines going down. They're going to get closer to like a point when they get to the end, like this. So that way the reflection of the sun is hitting the water, almost like a mirror. And then after that, we're going to draw a tree, a nice palm tree. It's right in front of the sun. It's going to come off of like this hill or mountain. It's just going to be 1, 2 curve lines like this. And then to make the leaves of our palm tree, we're going to draw 2 lines. So 1, 2 next to one another, kind of like 2 letter C's that are laying down. I'm going to add some on this side too. 1, 2. You can draw your tree a little bit differently if you want, but this is at least how I'm going to draw mine. And that would be my leaves for my tree. Maybe it could be a coconut tree too. I'll add some little coconuts hanging off of there. After that, if you want to add any extra detail, maybe I could add some more like wavy lines to make this look a little bit more like water. Maybe there's a beach right here and I can draw some dots right here for like sand. I can draw some clouds up in the sky. Maybe there's some birds that are flying in the air. Again, it is up to you. Also, when you're done, if you want to color, or again, if you want to work on both of these drawings, again, for choice boards, it is just for half an hour. So however you want to spend your time is up to you. All right, everyone, thank you for joining me for this drawing, and I look forward to seeing what you make. All right, bye, everyone.